Hello everyone, today I will show you how to go live on Instagram. And here's how it is done. Go to your profile, tap the plus icon in the top right, and select live. Once you tap live, your camera will open. Tap the gear icon in the top right to adjust camera settings. On the left, you can set a title for your live, start a fundraiser, or schedule your stream. About the go live button, select your audience. In most cases, use public or everyone. Tap the go live button. Instagram will check your connection and you will be live. Access additional settings or share photos during the stream. Flip the camera using the flip button. Mute audio or turn off your camera. Respond to comments. Add viewers to join your live. Answer questions or share the stream with others. Tap the X in the top right to end the session. Choose to post a clip to your story or share the full live video. That is everything you need to know about how to go live on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.